Hi guys, in this video we are going to do some math questions from chapter 13 of the real estate exam. So this is one of the question which is asking us to calculate the cost of funds in advance, like how much money was initially funded at the very beginning, okay? So the requirements here are: an interest recurring mortgage loan requires that 500,000 be paid at the end of 5 years. So let's say they're asking how much money was initially borrowed. If they're expecting you to pay $500,000 at the end of 5 years, if the interest rate on the loan is J12 equal 12%. So J12 meaning you're paying 12% monthly. Okay, so we need to find out how much money was initially borrowed for this particular transaction. Okay, so let me show you the steps on a side, what we really need to do, and then I will show you what to do on the calculator. Okay, so we are basically going to start with, since this is a 12% here, our interest rate is 12. We'll do IVR key on your calculator. Then we will do 12, shift this solid, and whenever I put this symbol, that means you have to press the shift key, PVR, okay? And then there's no payment made. It's interest accruing mortgage loan, so there are no payment, so we will put a 0 for the payment part, okay? And then 5 years, okay? Since our J12 is, our interest rate is based on monthly, that means we need to convert our 5 years to monthly as well. So our N is 5, but we have to do 60, and we put that into the calculator, okay? And now, since it's interest recurring loan, so your future value, it's, you need to press negative 5,500, sorry, let's do it, 500,000 with the negative sign, which I will show to you how do you enter future value. And then we will do PV. PV is the present value, which is what we are talking about here. It's calculate amount of funds advanced, meaning, one more time, how much money was originally borrowed, and the lender or any wherever you borrowed it from, they're asking you to pay $500,000 at the end of the term, which is 5 years. Okay, we have to convert 5 years into months because our interest rate is based on months. Okay, so let me show you how to enter that into a calculator. Okay, always start with the clear, shift clear all. I don't know, I have a habit of also doing a clear memory, so I always press that blue button and then do the clear memory option as well. Okay, so let's start with that. Okay, we'll do 12, shift that IVR option or nom. Okay, sorry, press 2 by mistake. 12, 12, 12 nom, 12 shift PVR, and then we are going to do 0 payment. Since our N is 5 times 12 is, and that's where that 60 is coming from, the one you see on the left side. 5 times 12. Okay, I will write it out on the side here. It's 5 times 12 equal to 60. That's where we get that 60 right here. Okay, so we got our 60 here, and then our future value, 500,000. Did I press 500,000? Yeah, negative, and future is 500,000. Okay, it's a future value because that's something we are expected to pay in the future when the term ends. Okay, so now our PV is 275,522. So that is equal to $224, and then 80, I got 81. Okay, and then the question said round to the nearest dollars. So our answer is 275, 225. that will be our final answer. Rounding to the nearest dollar, meaning you just round to the nearest dollar. So here, this is the answer for your question. I think that's it. I hope this question makes sense to you.